Hello everyone, myself Dr. Shubhi Gubrele Pastor. Welcome you all to our YouTube channel Teeth Smile. Today in this video, we will discuss in detail about laser dentistry. What is laser dentistry? Why is it so famous nowadays? What are the uses and benefits of laser dentistry? And some limitations and considerations regarding. So please watch the video till the end, and if you are new to our channel, then do subscribe the channel and click the bell icon so you can get the notifications for our upcoming new videos. So let's start the video and understand about the laser dentistry. First of all, what is laser dentistry? Laser dentistry employs focused light energy, either soft or hard lasers, to perform a variety of oral procedures. Soft tissue lasers are used on gums and other soft tissues, while the hard tissue lasers tackle teeth and bone. This technology allows dentists to cut, reshape, sterilize, and treat oral tissues with great precision. Now, the question arises, why the laser dentistry is so popular nowadays? Laser dentistry has become increasingly prominent in modern dental care for some good reasons. First, greater precision and preservation of healthy tissues. Lasers allow dentists to work with remarkable accuracy, targeting only the damaged or diseased areas and sparing the surrounding healthy tissues. And this is especially helpful in cavity removal, gum treatment, and cosmetic adjustments. Now, the second reason, reduce pain and discomfort. Gone are the days for noisy drills and dreaded injections for many procedures. Lasers minimize the trauma, often eliminating the need for local anesthesia and reducing the post-operative pain. Then, third point is faster healing and recovery. Because laser procedures are less invasive, most of the patients experience less bleeding, swelling, and healing time, and most of the patients return to their normal activities within 24 hours. Fourth point is built-in sterilization and lower infection risk. Lasers sterilize the treatment area on contact, killing bacteria and reducing the risk of infection. And this antimicrobial effect is a great advantage in both preventive and restorative procedures. Then the fifth point or the fifth reason is minimally invasive with faster recovery. Laser use often means no scalpels, no sutures, and less bleeding. And this translates to gentler procedures and a smoother recovery overall. Now the sixth point is versatility across treatments. Dental lasers are highly versatile, used in cavity removal, gum reshaping, root canal disinfection, teeth whitening, lesion removal, frenectomy, and more. And lastly, enhanced patient experience. Gentler, quieter, and less intimidating, laser dentistry is a welcome for the patients, especially those with dental anxiety, and the comfort-driven experience encourages timely visits and better oral health habits. So these were the few reasons why laser dentistry is so famous nowadays. Now there are some common uses of laser dentistry. First, hard tissue applications like cavity detection and preparation for fillings with less drilling and occasionally no anesthesia. Treating tooth sensitivity by sealing exposed tooth tubules and disinfecting root canals more effectively. Second, soft tissue applications like gum contouring or gummy smile correction, crown lengthening, frenectomy, or treating gum diseases. And third, cosmetic and other uses like teeth whitening enhancement, plaque removal, and soft tissue sterilization. So these were some uses and benefits of laser dentistry. Now, with the uses and benefits also comes some limitations and considerations. Like first, lasers cannot be used with certain metal fillings or in all clinical situations. Second, some cases still require drills or anesthesia depending on complexity. Third, risk of tissue injury if improperly used emphasizes the need for trained professionals. Fourth, higher upfront cost and limited availability. Not all the clinics are using laser devices. And lastly, potential eye or skin hazards. So protective measures are essential. So in short, laser dentistry's rise stems from its ability to deliver faster, safer, more precise, and more comfortable treatment. Patients benefit from reduced pain, quicker healing, and amplified convenience, while dentist appreciates its versatility, precision, and efficiency. As training spreads and cost ease, this technology continues to proliferate globally. So I hope you all have understood this topic well about laser dentistry, how is it so helpful and popular nowadays. And still, if you have any question or doubts, you can ask in the comment section. If you find this video helpful, you can share it with as many people as possible. And don't forget to subscribe the channel and click the bell icon so that you can get the notifications for our upcoming new videos. Thank you. Have a nice day and keep smiling.